Firstly, congratulations. I think it's a much happier camp than it was last week this time. Obviously, I think for me, the two key things are the defense, the improved defense, even though there were missed tackles, and then also the attitude. What is your initial take? I mean, you've had a few hours to analyze the game.
Yeah, thanks, Jan. Ag, yes, Jan, obviously, you know, I've always said the players, train well in the week and nobody goes out to make a mistake. You know, again, there's sometimes things is happening and you haven't got really the answers in the sense that, you see what's happening and you know what the mistakes are, but why it's happening. And the players was really, out there and from the first minute put their bodies on the line and stayed in it. And like you said, it wasn't perfect, but just grateful for the victory. And I mean, ultimately that's why I say we keep working on the same things week after week, and hopefully we can keep transferring it back on the field.
Yeah, I looked at the possession stats and defense stats that for me important. I mean, you had just on 30% possession. I think territory was also well over 60% in their favor, and you made 233 tackles, three times their tackles. That says a lot. I mean, the fact that you hung in there, even though you went 12, 24 down, you hung in there. Does that say a lot about the character of the team and the players?
Oh, for sure, there's a lot of character in the team, and I've never doubted that. And that's why I say, we the balance is not always 100%. We sometimes put ourselves under pressure through maybe errors or our discipline or so on. And that was again last night. There was periods where we do good things and then we concede a turnover or a bad pass or a penalty, and then they kick it in the corner and pin us down. So we have to fix those areas. But without the character, we probably wouldn't have hang in there and then give ourselves a chance at the end. And that's the part that I've been proud of the team. And obviously other games we things wasn't 100% and we couldn't get back, but it was not a lack of character.
Yeah. Is this the type of performance, not necessarily the quality, but the type of character and the type of performance that can turn a season around after such a bad run?
It's only one win, Jan. I don't know. I don't want to. The reality is it's one win. There's a tough Edinburgh, one of the best teams again. Full of internationals. We will just enjoy the win. We will enjoy the win as a group, and as players and as staff, and enjoy today and watch a bit of other rugby and then reset tomorrow and then start focusing on Edinburgh. But it's a step in the right direction, but obviously it's only one win. So there's nothing to get too overexcited about.
Yeah. Last one. What is the biggest positive that you take out of the apart from the win? What's the biggest positive you take out of the game?
I think you've mentioned it, the fight of the players, the character. Bo is second in the top 14 for what it's worth. We can take a bit of confidence out of that. You know, Somebody said to me they haven't lost for 22 games at home or something like that. Again, I'm not too fussed about stats and about, it's all about, for me, it's about team and team culture and our values and our standards and how we want to be as a team and serve the team. And that's the positive what I saw last night. It's the guys who didn't play, Johan Grobler and Wilco and Stetman and Kanan and all those guys, they really supported the team. They cleaned the change room. They looked after the bags and all the extras. And that's the character of the team. It's not about who I am, and it's just serving the team, and that's what I'm seeing. We're building slowly but surely is what kind of team we want to be, not just on the field but off the field.
Thanks very much and much
Thank
appreciated.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.